HP System Recovery is a software tool that restores the software and drivers that were originally on your computer. Recovering your hard drive can be useful when the computer has been infected by a virus, when system files have been corrupt or deleted, or when you want to erase all of your software applications and start over. This video describes how you can use HP System Recovery to return your computer software back to the way it was when it was first purchased. Before you get started, remove disks and any devices connected to the computer. If your computer has an external disk drive, leave it connected. If you can open Windows, then you can start a recovery from the Windows 8 Start screen. From the Start screen, type Recovery. Then select HP Recovery Manager. If a user account control window opens, click Yes. The Recovery Manager opens. Click Windows Recovery Environment. Confirm you want to reboot your computer and continue the recovery process. When your computer restarts, a Choose an Option screen opens. Click Troubleshoot. Click Recovery Manager. The Recovery Manager opens. If Windows cannot start, turn on the computer and repeatedly press the F11 key about once every second until the first screen appears. When your computer restarts, click to select the keyboard layout. Click Troubleshoot. Click Recovery Manager. Click Windows 8. The Recovery Manager opens. In some cases, the recovery information on the hard drive may be missing or damaged, such as when a hard drive is replaced. When this happens, it is necessary to use the recovery disks or a recovery USB drive to recover your computer. Note: if you are using a USB recovery drive, the following steps will be similar, but for this example we are using recovery disks. Insert the first recovery disk into the CD/DVD drive. After the disk has been fully inserted, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts off. Wait a few seconds. Turn on the computer and immediately press the Escape key repeatedly, about once every second, until the startup menu opens. Select Boot Device Options. Select USB, CD or DVD ROM drive. In the System Recovery window, select Run Program from Media. The Recovery Manager opens. If you are performing a system recovery from Windows, or if Windows will not open, select Minimized Image Recovery. If you are performing a recovery with disks, as we are showing here, select Factory Reset. If you have any important files on the hard drive, you must back them up at this point, or they will be permanently destroyed by the recovery process. If you have not yet saved your files, select Backup Your Files first. Choose whether you want the Recovery Manager to select the files to be backed up, or whether you want to select the files. Select the types of files you want to back up. For this example, we will select all the file types. The system shows a progress bar as it scans your computer files. Insert the media that will store your backup files, either a CD or DVD or a USB drive. For this example, we will select the removable drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish backing up your data. If you cannot or do not want to back up your files, select Recover without backing up your files. Click Next on the Welcome to HP Recovery Manager screen. Click OK on the warning message if you would like to continue. The recovery process starts. This will take a while to complete. If you are using recovery disks, the process can take over an hour, and you will be prompted to insert more disks if you have more than one disk. Eventually, the recovery process completes, and you are presented with a Recovery is Complete screen. Note: if you are using recovery disks that were sent to you from HP, the final screen may appear different. Click Finish. The recovery process has completed. Now, your computer will restart and begin the Windows setup process. After recovery, your computer is more vulnerable to security threats. Make sure you have security software installed before connecting to the Internet. Once your computer is secure, connect to the Internet. Do this before installing other software in order to get the latest updates to your system. After connecting, open your security software and get the latest updates for your security software, especially updates to virus definitions. Open the Windows Update tool in PC Settings to get the latest updates for Windows. Open HP Support Assistant on the Start screen to install the latest important updates from HP. Now that your system has been recovered and updated, you can reconnect and install devices that were unplugged previously. Thank you for viewing this video. For more help, go to hp.com/support.